Hi, I'm Tereshina. I'm an artist living in Japan, and this is a day in life. Let's go. These foxes are the guardian deities of the shrine. There's usually two of them. There is four of them in this case. But it's unfortunate because it seems there was supposed to be more. So that's one who lost its face, unfortunately. That's another. Also been eaten by time. Two over there. Sadly, the weather took the best of them. Let's see if we can find more. No, that's it. There was supposed to be stairs over there, I guess, but they changed it. And this is the shrine itself. So basically, you put your donation and you pray. But I do not pray here. I'm just here to appreciate the culture. Now, another Inari shrine. I found another one. It's so fun hunting these shrines down. And there it is in all its glory. A view from the Shiba Park, Tokyo Tower. You can see Tokyo Tower like as soon as you approach this area, and it's always so fun to try and find different view of it. So yeah. You can see it from the temple and it's gorgeous. And this is a new way to see it from the Shiba Park. I love it. Hiding between the trees. To say I'm not necessarily the brightest. It's not a joke. So I came from here, like muddy, slimy, and there's not slimy but slidey, like a hill, and I almost fell twice. And there were stairs right here. Very smart. A multiple question for you. You have been given two roads. Which one do you go to? The rain's still hitting me. The bright one, clear, bright, you can see your way. Or the dark one. A lot of trees, have no idea what it takes. Guess which one I'm taking? That's right, the most difficult one. I don't know why I keep doing this shit. But yeah, my family says that I always pick the difficult choice. Sorry guys, I believe you now. I believe in the saying that always takes you to Rome. So I will end up finding my way. But, and it's a big but. It's a new view of the Tokyo Tower. What is that? Coffee? Huh. Oh. It's interesting. But I think we're not allowed in. There's like a big barrier. Clearly say don't come in. and I don't want to be in trouble. So yeah, let's keep going to the wrong way. I know, like Tokyo Tower is the other side, and I'm going here. It's just I want to enjoy the adventure a little bit more, I guess. Ah, here it is. Clearly the other side, but it's the trip that what count. The destination is important. Of course it is. Otherwise, why would we even try? But the trip is also important. And I'm not saying make it an easy trip. I'm saying enjoy every single step of it. At least I try to. I mean, I'm here walking around in central Minato in Tokyo, and I don't know my destiny in the couple of months to come. We'll see how it goes. So that's the end of the park. I can clearly see it. And this is a hotel, and we can just go around it to our destination. Let's go. And there it is, the goal, getting closer and closer. This is also the first time I see it. It's a small pond. It's connected to the park from over there. The open space and the light space that I should have taken. The road I was clear enough, but I decided to ignore it. But hey, I reached on the way. I'm reaching the goal. And I believe that's a restaurant or maybe so. Oh yeah, it's a restaurant. I can see the menu. And there it is, even closer. Now let's look for the real goal. Where are these crabs? Something else I haven't seen last time. I don't know if it's new or what they just too outfit. It's kinda cute. Just a passage, that's all. But it's beautiful. Tokyo Tower is not that high, but because of the rain, it looks like it's towering beyond the clouds. So beautiful. This is one of these places that you will never get bored, no matter how many times you come here. Some of you may not think walking in the cemetery on a rainy day considered peaceful, but for me, it's peaceful. I am now by Sensoji, the biggest temple in this area. Let's check it out before we get going. Tell me if this isn't one of the most beautiful scenery I ever saw. When the beauty of creation of humans meets the serenity of death. I'm currently on the backside of the temple, and it's so empty. There's absolutely nobody, hardly ever one person or two, because it's rainy and it's cold, and it's a Tuesday morning. Makes sense. Yeah, I'm not really free. I had a business to take care of, and now I have another business to take care of. So yeah, but I have to eat. I forgot I have to eat. Okay, let's go eat. But first, let's enjoy a little bit more of the serenity of this temple. It is beautiful. So beautiful. If there is a place I completely recommend, is that I'm gonna get wet if I move any more the umbrella. ほら待ってるかわいいな。 にゃにゃにゃ
濡れちゃうでしょ。濡れちゃうでしょ。
にゃ。あら、かわいそうに。
濡れちゃ
あ、ごめんね、食べ物いないよ。ごめんね。かわいい。
ね、
おや
ご飯食べたのね。
食べた、いいな。おいしそう、かわいい。あらららら。かわいい、かわいい。ごめんね、ないよ。かわいいな。
濡れちゃうから。
怖くないよ。
濡れちゃうから、お家入んで。お家入んで。
あらら。かわいい。あららららら。およよ。あ、信じてる、かわいい。あ、ごめん、ごめん、ごめん。あらら、ごめんね、ごめんね。もう行きますよ。